Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 1. It is from section 3.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. We need to answer what is the difference between a relation and a function. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. So a relation is a set of ordered pairs. A function is a relation where each input leads to exactly one output. So a function is a relation where each input leads to exactly one output. So where each input leads to exactly one output. So that means the input can't have more than one output. Okay, let's look at some examples. And so an ordered pair has an input for the first and an output for the second value. Okay, and so examples, let's say we have the set, and let's just make up some values here. So we'll do 1 and 4, 2 and 5, and 3 and 6. So that is a relation. It is a set of ordered pairs. Now it is also a function because each input has exactly one output. And so we can visualize this as the following. So we'll list input, we'll draw a circle, we'll do output, another circle. The inputs are all the first values, so that those are going to be 1, 2, and 3. The outputs are the second values, so they are 4, 5, and 6. And we see 1 and 4 go together, so if we input 1, we get out a 4. 2 and 5 go together, so if we input a 2, we get a 5. And then 3 and 6 go together, so if we input a 3, we get out a 6. And so this relation is a function. Okay, let's try another one. Example. Okay, let's say we have the relation. This time we'll have 1, 4, and then 2 and 5, and then 3 and 5 for the ordered pairs. Okay, and we can visualize this as so. Okay, for the first values are 1, 2, and 3. The second values are 4 and 5. Okay, so 1, you input 1, you get out a 4. If you input a 2, you get out a 5. If you input a 3, you also get out a 5. Okay, each input still has exactly one output, so this is still a function. This is a function. Note that it's okay for the outputs to repeat. Okay. All right, let's try one more. We have the relation, let's do 1 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6. Okay, visually, we'll list our input and output. Okay, our first values are 1 and 2. Our second values are 4, 5, and 6. Okay, if we put in a 1, we get out a 4. If we put in a 2, we get out a 5. If we put in a 2, we get out a 6. Uh-oh, this is no good. Okay, so this is not a function. Right? Input 2 has two different outputs, 5 and 6. And so it's not okay for the inputs to repeat. If they do, it's not a function. So let's say not okay for inputs to repeat. It will not be a function. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.